Hello everybody, I am Assistant Professor Swajal Sharma from Sage University, Bhopal. Today I'll be briefing you about one of the topic known as acculturation. It is a concept which was coined in 1880 by American geologist John Wesley Powell in a report in US Bureau of Ethnology. Now you may ask, what is ethnology? It is basically a concept wherein characteristics of a people are learned and how they interact with other person that is being learned, and he has defined it as the psychological changes induced in people due to cross-cultural imitation resulting from the interaction with different culture. And it usually happens how when people migrate from one place to another in search of their better life standards, their job, their education, or whatever the case scenario may be. So, acculturation in present day is defined as a process in which a person or group from one culture comes in contact with another culture. That's what just with the example I chose to explain you, and it adopting the values and practices of the other while still retaining their own distinct identity. So it may have different case scenario where you might feel acquitted with the culture you are receiving the values, or you may still withhold one of your practices which you have learned from your native town. So we'll learn about the types of acculturation. It happens in different form. First is assimilation, wherein one culture absorbs another, leading to loss of the origin culture. Then there is another category known as integration, where both culture maintains their distinctiveness while sharing elements. You might wear clothing according to the culture you are living into, but you still withhold the practices from your native culture. Then, in separation, culture groups interact minimally, preserving their distinct culture. Like if you're staying in particular area, you will interact very less with the people, localites, because you don't want to get assimilated into that. Then lastly is marginalization, where you lose your original culture also, and you are not even adopting the new one. That is a very worst case scenario wherein you lose yourself and you feel a category of an alienation in that particular scenario. I hope acculturation is clear to you. Thank you so much.